Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are just hanging out at home and wanted to jump into the kitchen and make something brand new that we've never had before. Now I've got a bottle of winexpert Reserve Washington Sangiovese Rosé. Our friend Bo made it. He actually brews his own wine. I'm not sure if it's called brewing, but we took a cup of that wine and mixed it with a 20 fluid ounce bottle of vitamin water energy tropical citrus, added in a quarter of a cup of hoisin sauce, half of a cup of low sodium soy sauce, half of a cup of cream of coconut, and 100 grams of shredded sweetened coconut. Into that, we added 38 grams of pickled ginger, and we stirred that all together in a medium sauce pot on the stove. Now, I cooked this on a medium-high heat for about 20 minutes. I wanted to make totally sure that there was absolutely no alcohol left in this. So even if after the 20 minutes there was a little bit of alcohol left, we did end up smoking this. So after the smoking and the simmering on the stove, the goal was that there was no alcohol left. Now, I have read online that some alcohol will always be left, but I mean, you're not going to get drunk or get buzzed or anything from eating a meal that you cooked alcohol in, especially when you cooked it so long. After the 20 minutes, I stirred in 5 grams of rose petals. I know it sounds weird, but trust me, I've cooked with them before. They just have such a fun, florally taste, and they smell divine. They made the kitchen smell so good. I also added in another 100 grams of sweetened coconut and dumped that on top of 2 chicken breasts, put them in a baking dish, and put them on the smoker. Now, I smoked this at 350 degrees for 2.5 hours in the Traeger. Now, the next time I make this, I'm probably going to do it with more chicken breasts, just so that there's more breast to sauce ratio instead of having this much sauce just for 2 breasts. Well, if you liked this video, make sure to try out this recipe. If you do, tell us about it in the comments. Give us a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe. Hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do, and get a Traeger. Have a great one.